Hello mga ka-Barley! I am now with ma'am over here. She is so young. She's only 84 years old. No? Pero tignan naman, parang 60 years old lang si ma'am, ano? Ngayon, nag-order siya sa akin ng barley kasi nakikita niya na barley user ako. So, she said she wants to try barley. And so, ang tanong ko kanina, paano niya nalaman ang barley?
Oo.
Sige nga, ma'am, pwede mo nga.
You know, nung pumunta ako may appointment ako dito sa Olongapo kay Dr. Peralta. And then, one patient, I was sitting with two patients. Yeah, that couple. And then, somebody came in, it's kind of like an emergency. And then, he was in a wheelchair. And then I said, what's wrong with this? And then I said, oh no, ano yata ito, hindi makalakad, hindi ilang taon na kaya ito? Parang gano'n ang tanong niya. Ewan ko pa, pero parang ang tingin ko, mga may 18 na rin ito, sabi ko. Tapos sabi niya gano'n, hindi siya nakalakad. O that, sabi niya sa katabi niya, foreigner din, Amerikano. Sabi, o that, look at that. Buti na lang naman na mo yung barley. Sabi niya gano'n. Yun ang narinig ko. Tapos, I just keep listening, and then until there was also one occasion wherein I met somebody, and then I said, maano sa arthritis ko, yung nagkaano kami, sa clinic din yun. Yung arthritis ko talaga yun, kasi tinanong niya ako, meron ka bang maintenance, something like that, and then sabi ko, sa kwan ko lang, hypertension, and then, sa arthritis, masakit, sabi ko, gano'n. Tapos, subukan barley. Ano yun? Nakakain ba yun? That was the first time I heard about barley. So, yun.
So,
when I saw it in your account, I said,
Facebook account?
Oo, Facebook account. And then I said, may ano pala si Madam. Sabi ko, kaya tinawagan kita ulit. Kita ulit.
Yeah. So, yun. Ang sinasabi ni ma'am, parang twice niyang narinig about barley sa hospital. So, may mga random patients siyang nakausap na kung saan yung isa ay yung kinakausap yung father niya na foreigner, tapos sabi daw niya, syempre in-English niya na, oh dad, it's a good thing that you're drinking barley. Why?
Yeah.
It's a good thing that you're drinking barley, sabi niya.
Yeah.
Tapos yung another na visit na naman sa hospital, ayun, may nag-recommend na ulit kay ma'am na to try barley ulit.
Yeah.
O, diba?
Oo.
Dumarami ang mga tao ngayon na naging health conscious and
Nakakalaman
gumagamit
sa barley. Marami na. It's kind of like it's spreading out. Parang ano. Kasi, balik dalawa na. Tapos nakita ko yung ano mo, sa account mo, Facebook account mo, sabi ko, talaga magaling ito. Sabi ko, gano'n. So that's why I called I sent you a message right away.
Yeah.
Dahil gusto ko rin na
It's
subukan.
Oh.
Detox ito, cleanse body.
Yes.
So, yeah. I will try it.
And so, if you're interested, contact me if you want to order the number.
Of course, yeah.